I wake up, clouds whisper my name, a silver lining. With every drop that falls, I feel the flame, chasing dreams where the wild waters play. Oh, I'm chasing the rain, let it wash me away. Dancing through shadows, I'll find my way. In the rhythm of thunder, I hear my refrain. I'm alive in the storm, and I'm chasing the rain. Puddles like mirrors, reflections of hope. With every storm, I learn how to cope. Beneath the dark skies, I'm learning to soar. Every heartbeat echoes, I'm wanting more. So let the lightning strike, let the skies collide. I'll dance with the danger, there's nothing to hide. In the chaos, I find my true name. In the tempest, I'll never be the same. Oh, I'm chasing the rain, let it wash me away. Dancing through shadows, I'll find my way. In the rhythm of thunder, I hear my refrain. I'm alive in the storm, and I'm chasing the rain. So here I stand, with the storm in my veins, embracing the wild as I chase the rain.